How to sign up on a TradeStation account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up on TradeStation. For this, you want to open the TradeStation app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download this from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to tap on the login option. It will then redirect in a web browser. Here, you want to tap on the sign up option. Once you tap on the sign up option, it will take you to this page. Here you will have to set up your account. For that, you will have to enter some details. Go ahead and start by entering your first name, last name. Then select your country of residence. After that, you want to select your province. Now you will have to enter your email address. After that, you want to enter your mobile number. Now you will have to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and select a username. After that, you want to enter the password. Now you want to enter the password again for confirmation. If you have a promo code, you can enter it over here. Once you have entered all these details, tap on the next option. On the next option, you will have to complete some other verification steps. After that is done, your new account of TradeStation will be successfully created. Then you can simply log into your account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.